You are not an emotional rehab center. This ain't your average healing chat. It's healing through conversations with me, Lovely Brown. Real talk, deep healing, zero fluff. So let's talk about 5 reasons why loving yourself enough to walk away is a power baddie move. Number 1, love isn't supposed to hurt every day. There are going to be times in your relationship where things just are sour, right? Like either you're in a bad mood, they're in a bad mood. Maybe you hit a bad patch where you're trying to relearn and pivot in your love. But you can deeply love someone and still admit that the relationship is causing you pain, confusion, emotional harm. And if you are consistently in survival mode in that relationship, it's called trauma. Number 2, staying isn't a measure of your loyalty. Staying in a toxic relationship isn't a measure of your loyalty. Loyalty to others shouldn't come at the cost of betrayal to yourself. I think a lot of the times we make the assumption that if we just let this person one time, if we just do this one thing, if we make this one exemption, your boundaries matter. Your peace matters. Your heart matters. Staying isn't a measure of your loyalty. Sometimes it's how you wind up not here. You get what I'm saying? Number 3, you are not responsible for someone else's growth. Repeat that to yourself. You are not responsible for someone else's growth. Loving someone doesn't mean that you're fixing them on a consistent basis. You are not an emotional rehab center. Letting go can sometimes be the most loving act that you can do for yourself and the person that you care about. But sometimes your love is blocking their blessings and their love is blocking your blessings. And you're not supposed to be together. You were there for a season, not for a lifetime. You were there for a reason, not for a lifetime. This is what we're talking about. Growth isn't easy. Growth doesn't look or sound like the next person next to you. This is about you and your relationship. Number 4, you deserve to be chosen, not just needed. There's a difference between being needed and being loved in your fullness. People may need you to stand in a space because they're waiting to fill it with something else. It could be money. It could be clothes. It could be another person. It could be alcohol. It could be a babysitter. It could be emotional trauma. Like you are filling a space. But when somebody chooses you, all of you, your flaws and all, are accepted. No one's asking you to change. No one's trying to railroad you. You are the chosen one. You are the last dragon, darling. But you're not consistently trying to prove your worth or trying to walk back in time to show them that you can be this new person. You can be his old girlfriend. You can be her old boyfriend. Like, if I was chosen and you still want me to be like Rebecca, was I really chosen? I'll wait. Number 5, walking away is an act of self-respect. It's not selfish. You can love someone and leave them. You can wish the best for them and still choose you. Healing begins when you stop betraying yourself. A lot of us betray ourselves because we've been taught that suffering in a relationship means that you love them more. We have situations where we suffer in relationships, right? We go through times where a loss of a child, maybe a loss of a job, you're trying to figure out how to grow and maneuver. Maybe you had a medical scare, things like that, where you have to figure out how to pivot and work on the new versions of yourselves. But when you stay with someone out of loyalty to them and you're no longer loyal to yourself, it will start to be suffocating and more problems will continue to happen. So what was a time when you walked away as an act of self-love, but you knew you still loved the person you were walking away from? Journal prompt. I got y'all. Lovely. Out.